Hey guys, welcome to Andres Cocina. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my husband's lunch for today. We are making some carne con chile with Mexican rice. It's his favorite and you can do it in about 30 minutes, so it's great. All right, let's get started. It's so good and it's spicy. So we have 1 pound of beef fajitas, and I bought this one that was already seasoned, but you can, if you want, you can just buy some beef fajitas and just season it with salt and pepper. But I'm going to try this one today. And I'm just going to be cutting it into little chunks and just trimming off some of that fat. Okay guys, now that my saucepan is hot and I cut it into little chunks like this, I'm going to go ahead and add it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cover that for a minute and let it cook. Alright, and over here, we're actually going to start our rice as well. Have those cooking at the same time. So I have 1 cup of rice here. I already washed it and it's already dry, so I'm just going to wait till the pan gets a little warm, a little hot to add to it. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tomatoes and 1 serrano into the NutriBullet so we can make our salsa, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water in here too. I added about this much. That's going to be ready for whenever the beef cooks. Alright, now I'm going to add some oil to the pan for the rice. I'm going to add the rice in. I love this recipe because it's super easy to make, and honestly you can make it in under 30 minutes. It's like the easiest thing, and then you can make rice too and it goes really good with it. I'm gonna let that cook for a minute. It smells really good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mince 1 clove of garlic into the rice. There we go. Now, depending on how crispy you want these fajita bites to be, you can either turn up the heat really high and then give it a good crisp, or you can just keep it at the medium and just wait until they're fully cooked. But it depends on what you like. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit because my husband loves whenever there's a nice little sear to it.
51 seconds.
So, see, like this one is getting a nice sear on it. That is what he loves. And I'm making this for his lunch so he can take to work. All right, let's check on this rice. All right, starting to brown. Starting to brown, so I'm gonna get the water ready. I'm gonna get 2 cups. I'm going to add 1 packet of sazon Goya, the one with coriander and tomato. And a spoonful of chicken bouillon, caldo con sabor de pollo. Just like a tablespoon. Oops. All right, let's look at this meat. Let me bring you around and show you. There we go. Oh yeah. Let's see right here. You can also use leftover fajitas if you grilled it outside, like on a Sunday or something, and had a bunch left over. You can also use that. Repurpose that and just put the tomato and chile. That would be perfect. Smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover the rice and bring it to a boil. So the rice, I still have it at a medium flame, and then I'll reduce it once it starts to boil. Okay, so now to this fajita meat, we're gonna go ahead and add in the salsa. Okay. Ooh, wow, that's spicy. Oh, that's good. My husband really likes spicy, so he likes it like this. I do too. I like spicy as well. He can handle it more than I can, though, for sure. All right, now that the rice is at a boil, I'm gonna go ahead and keep it closed and put the flame all the way to low. Whoops, I accidentally turned it off. Okay, all the way to low. And we're just gonna let that sit for 15 minutes. Okay. All right, let's check it. Ooh, wow, that smells really good. All right, I'm gonna reduce this to all the way low because it's pretty much done, but I don't want it to cool down or anything because I'm about to serve it. Move this over, and I'm gonna heat up some tortillas. Okay, so I have this Tupperware right here, and I'm getting ready to make his lunch. I'm gonna see if there's enough for 2, because I'm gonna eat some right now because I'm starving. But we're gonna have those, and then this plate is for me. But yeah, so the rice is still has a ways to go, but the carne is pretty much done. Ooh, yes. Smells so good. I think I'm gonna turn it off so all the water doesn't evaporate. This one, turn that off. Okay, and we have the tortillas. I really want to open it and mess with it, but it's best to just leave it. Just leave it. And then once you see all the water is gone, then you can turn it off. But you have to let it sit even more because it'll continue cooking and absorbing the water and getting a nice consistency. Pretty much done. It is just a little bit watery, so it has to absorb all of that. Maybe I should have started it before I started the beef. It would have been ready at the same time. Alrighty guys, that is about as long as I can wait. So let's go ahead and serve some of these up. Excuse me. Okay, let's take a look at the rice. Oh yeah, looks great. Looks great. Pues también me voy a servir a mí porque aquí tengo mucha hambre. Just 1 spoonful of rice. Okay. Right. A ver. All right, there you have it, guys. So you get 4 servings with this. You and your partner can eat 2 right there, right then and there, and then have 2 for later. So perfect. Because he's hungry. Hello, Bubba's. You can't eat this one, honey. It's too spicy. Oh my God. Oh, he's so precious. Can I try it? Yeah. Let's have you try it. It's good, right? Yay! How spicy is it?
It's good.
It's good? It's not too spicy? I guess when you mix it with the rice, it's not too bad. Yeah? Yay! I want to try it too. With the rice and everything. Because I tried just the sauce by itself, and it was so spicy. Oh wow. I love it. Yeah, it's not too bad. With the rice and the tortilla and everything. Mmm. Woo! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this at home. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, thanks for joining me. Man, this is